Hi, today let's make healthy high protein wrap. Here I've added in a chicken. You can add the protein of your choice like paneer or tofu if you're a vegetarian. I've taken chicken breast and I've boiled it with salt and turmeric powder and shredded the chicken like that. And then I'm adding in grated cucumber. For this wrap, you can play around with your veggies, whichever veggies is of your choice, you can add it. Currently, I'm adding in grated cucumber. After the grated cucumber, I'm adding in some chopped onions. I like onions in my wrap. If you don't like onions, you can again you can skip it. As I said, you can play around with your veggies, whichever is your favorite veggies, you can add it to this wrap. Next, I'm adding in shredded cabbage and carrots as well. If it's like this, right, in the wrap, it goes really very well. It's easy to munch on. Next, I'm adding in chopped lettuce. Here again, the lettuce, if you want, you can add it at the end while you're wrapping your wrap. Otherwise, I like to chop it like this and add it to the mixture. Next, I'm adding in grated garlic. It gives a very nice good flavor to the wrap. Next, I'm adding in salt, which you can add per your taste, and then pepper powder. Here, seasoning as well. If you like any other seasoning, you can add it. Now I'm adding in hung curd, and then give all these ingredients a really very good mix. The chicken, the veggies needs to be coated really very well along with the hung curd. It's a beautiful wrap, very healthy, very kind of filling. Your proteins are there, your veggies are there, and your lunch and your snack or your dinner, anything is like it's sorted. If you make this mixture as well, and whenever you want, you can take your wrap or roti, you can make it and add it to your wrap. It should be ready, very easy to make. See, this is how the mixture looks like. Now what you can do is you can keep the mixture aside. You will get the wraps ready outside in the shop. Otherwise, you can make rotis like this, any kind of chapati or rotis of your choice, you can make like this and add the mixture to that. Now I'm adding in the chicken and the veggie mixture to it. Don't overfill it because you need to wrap it. If you overfill it, then the wrap tears up. So you can again add the how much ever you want, you can add it like this, and I'll show you how to roll the wrap. Once you roll the wrap like that, it will none of the food will come out, like the mixture will come out. So I've added in the mixture. Now I'm adding in ketchup. Now if you don't like ketchup, you can skip it. You can add any other kind of sauces if you want. If you don't want sauces at all, again, the mixture alone tastes really very good. Now I'll show you how to wrap it. Take one side like that, and then you need to fold the other way, and then you need to fold the other way like that, and then finally wrap it up. Now I've made two rolls like this, and this is how it looks. I like to cut my rolls like that, and I'll show you how it looks from inside. Your protein packed healthy chicken wraps are ready. As I said, you can swap it to paneer or tofu if you're a vegetarian. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do support and enjoy your food. Enjoy.